Hi again, everyone. It's Monday morning, June 13th, 2022. I'm going to take a look at the Astro Excel, see what the Astro pressure is for the week ahead. We're in an extended down move in the market right now, and not going to be really looking for any major bounce to the upside. We're inside the 10 lines again here for most of the week until we get to Friday. But right now, we hit a flat spot on the 12th and the 13th in the morning. We're headed downward pressure on the green line where we bottom out as we move late into the 14th, and we're flatlining through the early morning of the 15th, and then around 10 a.m. on the 15th we start moving up. The green line spike peak for the week is on the 17th at 1:17 a.m. Then it turns back down through the remaining part of Thursday, and it bottoms out Friday at about 11 a.m. and then is flat into the close Friday. We don't have much on the blue line spikes today. There's one spike outside the 10s later at 18:58 this evening. The next important blue line spikes for the week are 6:40 on the 14th. Then we have a spike high at 14:26 on the 14th. We have a late evening low at 21:49 on the 14th. Early morning on the 15th, we have a spike low at about 3:10 a.m. We have a minor high right at the session change at 1800 on the 15th. We've got a low at 1945 on the 15th. On the 16th, we have a spike high 4:54 a.m. Then we have spikes inside the trend lines, and then we spike bottom with the green line together at 10:53 a.m. on Friday morning. That'll be an important point to watch where both lines come together there. So that's it for today. We're going to be taking a short break here. We'll be out of action for 2 weeks on the videos, so we'll be back again most likely on the 26th or 27th. So we'll see you guys again then.